In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get email headers in Gmail. Understanding email headers can be incredibly useful, whether you're troubleshooting email issues, tracing the path of an email, or simply want to learn more about the metadata of the emails you receive. First, let's open up Gmail. If you're not already there, go ahead and navigate to your Gmail inbox. Once you're logged in and can see your emails, locate the specific email whose headers you want to access. Click to open this email. You'll see the email content appear on your screen. Now, look for a small icon that resembles 3 vertical dots, usually located in the top right corner of the email. This is the More button, and it reveals additional options for dealing with your email. Go ahead and click on it. After you click the More button, a drop-down menu will appear, showing several options. Among these options, look for the one called Show Original. Select Show Original to proceed. Clicking on Show Original opens a new tab in your browser. This new tab will display a page containing detailed header information for the email you selected. The headers might look a bit overwhelming at first, as they are full of technical data. However, this information can provide valuable insights. You'll notice details such as the email's route from sender to recipient, timestamps for when the email passed through various servers, and information about spam checks, all of which are part of the email header. Remember, email headers are essentially the behind-the-scenes information about an email's journey to your inbox. They can easily help you identify sources of spam or phishing attacks and are useful for IT professionals in diagnosing email issues. If you want to save or share this header information, you can simply use the Download Original button. This allows you to download the header information as a .txt file. Keeping a record of important headers can be beneficial for future reference or to share with technical support if needed. There you have it, a straightforward guide on how to access email headers in Gmail. By following these steps, you can unlock a deeper understanding of the emails you receive and enhance your troubleshooting toolkit. Whether for personal curiosity or professional use, knowing how to access and interpret email headers offers a valuable skill set. I hope you found this guide helpful, and if you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to reach out. Consider subscribing for more tutorials and tips on how to manage your digital life more efficiently. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.